So what's up, my people? It's about making here once again with another YouTube video on this particular NFT update. This particular company called NFT, which I shared on my last video on this. Close second to last video on this channel, talking about how to make money buying NFT, which you'll be getting your gain every day, which some of my downlines have already participated in it and they are gaining. But I think there is something there that some people didn't understand. You need to verify accounts here so that your account will be ready for use. As you can see, I found out that many people didn't verify their account. As you can see, this one is verified, and found out that many people find it hard to link their Google account, to add this Google key and link their wallet address also. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do these things, and I'm gonna use my other phone to record myself doing it, because in that Google Authenticator app you cannot do screen recording there, and this my video is done by screen recording. So I'm gonna use my other phone now to show you guys how to do these three things to verify your account. And in today's video again, I'm gonna also withdraw and show you guys the things you need to do to make money from this particular platform. So if you like what I'm saying and you're good with me, let's dive into the main video of the day. So for the sake of the people that are new user to it and people that have problems signing up and do everything they need to do in the website, I'm using my other phone to record, just like I told you guys. So next thing you have to do, after adding the email of your choice and adding the password that you remember, make sure that your email is a valid email. All you have to do is to click on register, and instantly it will register you. To do is to log into your account, add your email address and enter your password again, then click on login to log you instantly to your account. So now, as you can see, this my account have no I don't have any it's a brand new account, and as you can see, this is Usdt also, and then as you can see, there is not 13 here, and my account is not verified by real name here. It's not verified by new name and Google key and everything. Now I need to do is I'm gonna show you guys everything you need to do before going to do any other thing on the platform. So first thing first, click on this place that says not verified by real name. Click on it, and it's gonna show you where you are gonna enter your name, your country name, and your birth month. That is your birthday, that is your birth date. So after, you must have entered the name that you are asked to enter your country name and then your birth date. Remember to the platform is not in any way saving your date, is only encrypted to your account in the platform. So next thing you have to do is to click on this place that says submit, and you see that the thing is done successfully. So as you can see, it's now done successfully. If you go over to your account, you see that now this account is verified by real name. The next thing you have to do now is to click on this place that says Google key. So I now have to go ahead and link our account to a Google Authenticator app, which I've showed you guys in the other video before. So if you go over to Play Store, you will see this app called Google Authenticator app, which is what we are gonna use. I'm using this my phone to record this thing because the Google Authenticator app, you cannot do a screen recording on it, and I want you guys to see what you need to do on this Google Authenticator app. Click on this place that say open. You see that due to I have it and I've been using it for a long time now. So let's go over to the website again. Let's go over to the website to copy this code over here. Copy this code over here, this code that was given to you. Copy it over here, and then go back to Google Authenticator app. Then you need to react it. Click on this plus icon over here, this plus icon over here. Click on it and then enter the setup key. Enter this setup key. So click on this place now and then enter the account name. You can call it ACNFT. So something like that, ACNFT code or something like that. Just enter the name that you use to know the code. So once you're done with it, input the key that you just copied for your account, and then click on add. Instantly they add the Google Authenticator app have been ordered to you. So look at it here, then copy the code that was given to you. Just give it a minute so that it will load. So let it load a fresh one for us, because every time the code given to you will reload and give you another code for security reasons. So as you can see now, we have copied it. Next thing you have to do is to go back to the site, enter it over here, enter the code over here, and then click on submit. You have successfully bind the account. So as you can see now, we have bind these two accounts. We have verified our account and we have bind our account. The next thing you have to do is to add your USDT wallet address. So go over to any wallet of your choice. As for me, I'm using this particular Trust wallet for this video guidance. So click on this place and get your TLC20 USDT wallet address. Click on receive and copy your wallet address just like this. Copy it out and then go over to the site again to add it up. So go over to the site to add it up on the site. Then click on this place that says wallet address. Select TLC20 and then enter down your wallet address here. Then click on to bind. It will ask you for your Google verification code again. Go back to the Google Authenticator app that you will come out from recently. Go over to it and copy any code that was given to you again. Copy it out and then go back to the website. Then enter the Google Authenticator app, the code that was given to you, and then click on preserve, and you see that we have done it successfully. So as you can see now, the binding is now successfully. So if you go over to your account, these three things that you need to do to secure your account have been successfully done by us. So by now, if you have been watching this video up to now, I think you have gotten all you need to do to verify accounts and keep your account secured for yourself, so that nobody will be able to hack your account. So since you have gotten it, the next thing you have to do is to go ahead and before you go ahead do any other thing, I want to show you guys how to buy the NFT. And for those of you that have been watching know about this particular platform, let me show you guys my platform, my USD, the one that I bought, how much it is now. Remember, I bought this thing below $20. I bought below $19. I bought it at 18.9 something. Now it's now 21.89. As you can see on my profile account now, you see that I'm currently having $23.84, and I'm gonna do a live withdrawal here. So recently, for those of you that didn't watch the video, all we are doing here is buying NFT collections at a lower rate, and when the price increases to the level that we like to withdraw, you can easily sell it out and withdraw your money to your USDT account. So next thing, let me first of all show you guys where to buy the USDT. Let's assume you want to deposit. All you have to do is to click on this place that says recharge, and then enter the amount that you want to recharge, select the currency and click on payment. It's gonna give you a QR code and USDT wallet address for you to recharge. But before you recharge, let me show you guys why you need to join this particular update. If you go back to the marketplace now, let's go over to the market. You see these particular ones, these are the NFT. I think this one is the highest price. This one is rated for $117.82, which is increasing every day, and the price that it started with is it's $8.99. Now it's now $117.82, and every single day 3 o'clock Nigerian time the price increases. Every day the price increases. So if you buy it now, the price is still gonna be increasing. But this is just the biggest price of the NFT. If you go down, you see this one. This is the one that I currently buy. I bought it with 18.9 something USDT, but now it's currently at 21.8889 USDT. Tomorrow I'm expecting it to enter around 22 USDT, and my gain is going up more. So look at the one that I buy, and leftover is still 23. Anybody that wants to buy it now, we're still gonna have more to buy. So if you don't have up to this amount, you can still go down and look for the one that is around $10 or more. This one was around $9.99 earlier today, before it was 3 o'clock, and the thing increased. The price is now $10.21. Don't waste time, and now it don't even have leftover anymore, because a lot of people have bought it, because this is the one that people rushed out. So this one doesn't have leftover anymore. This one doesn't have leftover anymore. This one have only one piece left over currently as I'm making this video. Maybe by tomorrow or more, someone must have bought it again. So the same thing goes for this one. This one have 3 left over. So don't waste time on this particular update. So all you have to do is to click on buy once you have USDT on your wallet, depending on the one that you want to buy. So then first of all, for me, I've bought my collection, my USDT. The one that my NFT, the one that I bought is this place that it has saved my collection, which is where I can easily sell it. So as for now, I promise you guys that in my next video I'm gonna do a live withdrawal on it to show you guys how to withdraw, if it is paying and every other thing. So this is the live video here, because if you want to withdraw, you cannot withdraw this amount because this is amount is in your NFT amount. So all I have to do now is to go over to my collection. I think it have reached the level that I want to sell off. So all I have to do is to click on sell, and you see that exchange in USDT. All I need to do is to sell all. So as you can see now, all you have to do is to click on the amount that you want to sell. So for me, I'm gonna sell one, and the one that I want to sell, all I have to do is to impute 1 year, and then it's gonna take out 5% of whatever amount that you want to sell. So since it have increased, I bought it at 18 point something. Now I want to sell it. They remove the 5%. It's gonna be $20.71. Then next thing I have to do is to click on this that says sell, and you see that it took total exchange successful delivery. So US exchange in progress. Now as you can see, successful exchange. So if you go back to my account now, let's go back to my account. Let's go back to my account now, my section. You see that I don't have anything on my collection again. That means I have sold it out. I have sold my USDT, and now it's time for me to withdraw. How do I withdraw? All I have to do is to click on this place that says withdrawal. All I have to do is to simply click on withdrawal here, and you see that my balance is gonna reflect for me. Select the currency type, USD USD20. This is my USDT address, and then enter the amount that I want to withdraw. There is no charge fee in withdrawal. Only selling your USD or your NFT, they're gonna take out 5% off if you want to sell your NFT. So I will enter the amount that I want to withdraw. So since my available balance is $22.84 or whatever, I'm gonna withdraw everything to show you guys that the update is paying. So I have to do is to click on 22.84. Yes, that's my withdrawable balance, and then click on withdraw. So they will ask me for my Google verification code, which I'm gonna go and get instantly. So I have gotten my Google verification code. Now the next thing I have to do is to enter the verification code and then click on OK. You see that my withdrawal is now successful. Now I'm waiting for it to land on my wallet before any other thing. So if you go over to my home page now, you see that I don't have anything on my wallet right now. And if you go over to withdrawal details, you will see the shake details. You see it has been completed. So I have to go over to my wallet to know if the USDT withdrawal landed to my account. So instantly I got a notification from Binance that I deposited 22.84 USDT to my wallet address, which if you go over to my Binance account, you see that the same amount was successfully deposited to my account as the deposit. The withdrawal is instantly. So this is it, guys. This is how this particular platform works. But I will not stop here. I'm gonna deposit again to buy a lower NFT collection, so that by 3 p.m. tomorrow the price will increase again, and I will keep on making gain. This is how it's gonna done, and I'm gonna deposit again since I withdrawn. I just want to show you guys that the withdrawal is going up, and I want to show you guys how to deposit again, and how to deposit and how to use the platform. So now back to the website. I need to recharge again and buy another NFT. So I think I'm gonna go for a lower amount. I'm gonna deposit 12 USDT here for me to buy another NFT. So all I have to do is to click on recharge again, and then click on enter the amount that I want to recharge, 12 USDT. Select the currency that I want, select it, and then click on payment. You see, copy the wallet address given to me because I'm not using the QR code. I'm now heading over to my account, to my Binance account, to withdraw it again. So as you can see now, my recharge of 12 USDT is completed, and now it's time for me to go ahead and buy another NFT collection so that by 3 p.m. tomorrow Nigerian time, I don't know which time is it in your own time, you can check it on Google, your own time compared to Nigerian time, 3 p.m. the price will increase again. So I will go ahead and look for the cheapest one that I can buy with something like 11 USDT, and I will still have another one. So this one don't have a leftover again, this one don't have leftover again, and this particular one have only one leftover, only one piece leftover. So I need the one that this one is also 1128 USDT, this one 1129. 1128 have around 3 pieces leftover. So which one am I gonna buy? This one is 1133. Now this one is 24. So I'm gonna go for this wrap family OG. So I'm gonna buy this particular one at $11.33. You know, remember, the bigger the amount you buy, the bigger the price that is gonna add for you the next time that the price is gonna go high. So I'm gonna buy this particular one now. All I have to do is to buy one again, use 12, buy one piece of it. So I'm gonna buy one piece of it, one, and it's gonna be $11.33 US. So next thing I have to do is to click on buy, and instantly the thing is gonna process. After processing, the process is gonna be successful. As you can see, I have now exchanged it. I'm now waiting for next tomorrow. It's gonna be, the price is gonna appreciate, and I'm gonna make my own gain. Remember, I hope you guys got value from it. If you go over to my collection, you see that this one is the one that I'm currently having now. So this is how this particular platform works. I hope you guys got value from it. Don't forget to buy your NFT so that every day the price is gonna be increasing. You can leave it for some days before you can easily withdraw. So this is the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys got value from the video. If you got value, do well to subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. As for now, see you guys on my next video. Bye.